This HQMPC Quick Connect hose fitting set uses solid brass throughout, which feels substantial in the hand, and resists cracking or deforming under regular outdoor use. The connectors mate cleanly with standard 3/4-inch garden hose threads on spigots, hoses, and nozzles, so there is no fiddling or forcing to get a proper seal. Once installed, the quick couplers make swapping between sprinklers, spray guns, and other watering tools almost instant, cutting down on the time spent twisting fittings on and off. In use, the internal design allows strong, steady water flow and holds up well even on systems running at relatively high household water pressure. The included washers and precisely machined threads help minimize drips at the joints, so you are not wasting water or constantly tightening connections. Having multiple matched male and female pieces in one package makes it easy to outfit several hoses and faucets at once for a consistent, convenient setup around the yard.